So Guru,
Yeah, that's the only one. That's the
Yeah.
only
I want
malfunction
to
of
take Guru, you're there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in this case,
below.
yeah, in this case, in the low level water side, only one cause can happen: LCB malfunction full open when not required.
Okay.
There is no other cause for low level in the water line. Correct, Emmanuel?
Yeah, correct.
So
What is that cause? Only one cause. What is that cause?
Yes, LCB 30901 malfunction full open.
Okay.
So this will create low level in the vessel.
Okay.
Yeah.
This previous one, right? Here we have two parts.
So we are keeping the same thing.
Two parts.
Okay.
We have a new worksheet. I remember sometimes when we
Okay. Actually, it has to be amended. Okay, I'll show the screen because right now, as I mentioned earlier,
We have single pass.
we have in the hazard when we did the hazard, right, we only have one LCB. Now we will be having two LCB. One is a lower size. See here, right? So the
Correct.
cost, the cost may be anyway. You can just say A/B.
is
No. If one wall failure, other wall can be used. Right? You can operator can mitigate this. Correct? No.
Yeah. So this is bypass line or 50-50?
No. This is not bypass.
This is for different range, different.
Because we have a wide range of design cases. So we have one path dedicated for low range and one for high range.
Yeah. So let us
Okay.
consider
Mr.
any
Chairman,
one.
I remember you performed the rehashing
Yeah,
for this
yeah.
page.
Yeah.
So that means Emmanuel and Khalid, if any one of these walls remains open when not required, this will create no water level in the separator, and then gas blow by will happen. Correct? If any wall remains open.
Yes.
Okay. So what is my
So I
question?
think we could just put 11 01A 01